For most small business owners, free money is a dream come true, and the greatest method to get free capital for your company is through small business grants. There are several options accessible for small companies interested in applying for grants, ranging from government agencies to corporations. What is a business grant? A business grant is a quantity of money provided by a government institution, company, or organization to a small firm to help with a range of business expenditures. Business grants are very competitive and require an exhaustive application procedure for firms that match the standards. Nevertheless, if you are able to obtain a grant, it is a fantastic method to financially support your existing business or establish a new business. Determining your type of business grant is divided into 3 factors. 1. What kind of business do you run? 2. What does your company require? 3. What do you desire for the future of your company? Without further ado, here are the top business grants for 2022. Number 1. The Small Business Innovation Research. The Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) program provides the greatest federal small business funding for technology enterprises. The SBIR program is a highly competitive grant program that offers funds for qualified small enterprises to participate in technology research and innovation. Grant size, between $150,000 and $1 million. To be eligible to apply for an SBIR business grant, you must fulfill the following criteria. Applicants must be a for-profit organization. Applicants must employ less than 500 people. A majority of the ownership must be held by one or more of the following. 1 or more people who are citizens or permanent residents. Other for-profit enterprises. Companies that operate venture capital funds, hedge funds, or private equity firms. Number 2. The U.S. Economic Development Administration. The U.S. Economic Development Administration, EDA, provides the finest state small company award for innovation. EDA grants are state-level funds provided to small enterprises that encourage entrepreneurship and innovation. In order to boost economic growth, grant amount, depending on the grant. To apply for an EDA business grant, you must fulfill the following criteria/eligibility requirements. EDA is merely a source for locating grants. Eligibility will vary depending on the grant you're applying for. Before submitting your application, make sure you have thoroughly read the prerequisites. Loans are administered through grants.gov. Applicants must create an account on the website. Number 3. The FedEx Small Company Grant Contest. The FedEx Small Company Grant Contest provides the greatest corporate small business grant for growth. Grant amount, $15,000 to $50,000. To be eligible to apply for a FedEx Business Award, you must satisfy the following criteria. Applicants must be in business for at least a year. Applicants must be small businesses with less than 50 workers. Within the last 12 months, applicants must have used commercial shipping services. Number 4. The Amber Grant. The Amber Grant is a women's small business grant. The Amber Grant is given out monthly, with one of the monthly winners getting additional funds each year. Grant amount, $10,000 to $35,000. To be eligible for an Amber Grant, you must fulfill the following requirements. Applicants must be a woman-owned company. Applicants must be from the United States or Canada. A $15 application fee is required of all applicants. Number 5. Minority Business Development Agency. Minority Business Development Agency, MBDA, provides the greatest small business grant for minorities. Currently, the MBDA provides 3 continuing awards to minority-owned enterprises. Grant amount varies based on the grant. To be eligible to apply for an MBDA grant, you must meet the following criteria. In order for their applications to be monitored, applicants must get a Data Universal Number system. Applicants must be a minority-owned corporation. Applicants must use the system for award management registration to register their applications. Many small companies, unsurprisingly, are wary of the phrase "a free money." Small business grants, on the other hand, provide opportunities for enterprises of all sizes to obtain free financing to help them sustain, support, or launch their operations. When searching for and applying for grants, the most essential things to remember are to carefully read the requirements, double-check that your application is complete, and reapply if you are not the winner. Finding the perfect financing source for your small business is very doable with so many grant options accessible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.